Cleantie video tutorial number 3, Checkout Process. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of Cleantie checkout function. The checkout function is used to check out customers' order from the inventory and receive payment. Select Checkout option from the main menu. Scan customer's invoice or type the invoice number, or simply select the customer using customer's name or phone number and press the return button. Once the customer or invoice number is selected, all outstanding invoices for the selected customer are displayed on the screen. A list of the invoices that have IN or ready will appear on the top right-hand side of the screen, and an image of a blank invoice will be shown on the left-hand side. Select the invoice for checkout, or press Select All button to select all the invoices. Invoices with ready status mean they're ready for pickup. Invoices with IN status mean they have not been assembled or racked. Please note, ready process is optional. Ready process is used to assign conveyor or rack location to garments that are ready for pickup. The details of the selected invoice is shown on the left-hand side of the screen. To see the detail of any invoice, just select the invoice. Items of all selected invoices appear under the checkout list. The summary of selected invoices are shown under the summary box on the bottom of the screen that includes total selected items. Total payment due is shown under debit. Total collected amount is shown under credit. And total outstanding balance is shown under balance. Use print icon to print a list of all selected invoices with assigned conveyor locations. If some items are not ready for pickup, simply remove the check mark from the pickup list. If partial pickup is required, select quantity and enter total items to be checked out. This is done in order to remove an item which is not ready for pickup. Press OK when ready to check out the marked items. Please note, partial checkout option has to be enabled under Price Schedule. The payment screen then appears. Select payment type, then amount, and press OK button. If the system is set up for online credit card processing, just swipe the credit card. For additional information on this process, please watch the payment processing video. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our other videos.